All right, so I'm sitting here in my car right now, and the question comes to me: can you actually live off of gig work in today's economy in 2024? And you see, the thing is with gig work, there is no guaranteed earnings. Oh, sorry about that. Just got an offer. There is no guaranteed earnings with gig work, and so your income's going to be unstable, and you don't really have a way to plan for it. Uh, and You don't have a projected income whenever you're doing gig work, because really it's honestly it's random and it's kind of luck. And The thing is with it is there's a lot of risk involved. There's a lot of cost that people don't realize when they first start out in gig work, such as like driving Uber, driving for Lyft, driving, for DoorDash. Me personally, I do Spark, and there's the costs are not only gas, not only your car maintenance, all the oil changes. I go through brakes like crazy, and I mean I'm a little bit of a hard breaker, not going to lie, but got another order. This one right here, match. Oh, look at that. 17. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I have to deal with. I don't know if it'll load, but uh, $17 right here for 39 items. It's a shopping order. It is only going 1 mile, but there's no tip on that order, so I'm not going to take it. And anyways, back to what I'm saying. Okay, so there is a lot of cost involved that people don't realize, and it's not only the maintenance and not only this. You gotta account for taxes as well. And a lot of people they work their W-2 job, and their taxes automatically get withdrawn from their check every week, every 2 weeks, however long they get paid. And the thing is with that, it creates a habit of okay, this is my paycheck, and so this is my money now, and you don't got to worry about withholding the taxes because it has already withhold it for you. It automatically gets withhold out of your check, and then at the end of the year you do taxes. Most of the time you get money back if you have a W-2 job, especially if you have kids. But the thing is with gig work, it's what's called a 1099. And with a 1099, you don't have the taxes withheld automatically. It's your responsibility at the end of the year to go through all your statements and your 1099s and whatever else income you have, and at the end of the year you're going to end up owing. Now listen, if you own your vehicle and you're driving it for gig work, you can write off a lot of the expenses um, involved with this. However, in my opinion, as we're about to go over, it's not worth it anymore. It's not worth it anymore, and that honestly that does suck. I did gig work personally for about a year and a half. I was doing it full time, and I had to go back, and I got a good job now. I got a good regular job, and now I do gig work part time, which is what I hope for this channel to be about, is me doing part time gig work. I'm gonna show you how much I make. I'm gonna discuss if it's worth it. Maybe sometimes I'll even go live, and I'll take you guys along with me, and we'll deliver at night in some sketchy neighborhoods or something. I don't know. Anyways,